if you could give an alternate name to the show, what would it be?
Doors and sardines, easily.
Yeah, bags and boxes.
Bags and boxes, that's another good one.
Hi guys, can you tell us a little bit about the show?
So Noises Off is a super funny comedy about a group of actors and a director and a stage manager and assistant stage manager trying to put on another comedy, which is really confusing. But it's a super funny show, it's super great. We get to see the show from both sides of the set, from the front and the back, which is great technically. I don't know, what do you think?
It's hard, but it's fun and rewarding.
If you could sum up the show into one word, what would it be?
Chaos.
That's a good one. I think I would have to say loud.
Luke, any? How has your cast been preparing for the show? Are they excited, nervous? What's the overall sentiment?
I think they're really excited. They are enjoying the physicality of it. There's a lot of props, there's a lot of moving around. It's very funny. The script makes the show funny without much else needing to happen, but they add so much to it. Just
They work really hard.
yeah.
We appreciate their hard work.
Any last tidbits? Anything you'd like to say? Leave with the audience?
No. I gotta go check on something though.
Come see the show.